Okay, we have here the content for our post, and I've already asked ChatGPT to give me image inspiration for this content. So I'm going to choose this one, peace of mind concept. Relaxed person at home or on vacation using a laptop or sipping coffee. Okay, for the free pictures or images, you can go to Pixabay. Pixabay. Okay. So just click that one and then you will go here and I have typed here having a coffee. Okay. Of having a coffee. This one, this is a stock images or sponsored images, meaning you have to pay for this. Just go with the royalty free images. Okay, so I'm going to choose one image. How about this one? So this is more relaxing. It really conveys an image showing how she is relaxed by sipping her coffee. Okay, I'm going to download this one. And then you can also open your Canva. Okay, the Canva. And then let's go with the LinkedIn post. Okay. So if you have a pro subscription or a paid subscription, you have the freedom to choose images or photos. But then I tell you guys, start with free account for Canva. So you don't need to pay for subscription. So let's try. Let's try here. Okay, so this can also be the sample images for your content. But then if we're going to use the free image, upload files, and then go with here, and then bookkeeping handle. Okay, so I can place here a text. Okay. You can also do this one. Okay. Okay. Very simple. You can also place here your icon. If you have the agency or bookkeeping icon. Okay. Your branding. You can also place it here, or can place here your website address. Okay, let's try at bookkeeping.com. I will place it here, make it smaller. Okay. And then color. Okay. Which is better, white or black? Okay. Bigger? Okay. Then try globalbookkeeping.com. So this is so simple, right? Okay. So I'm going to place it here. You can place it here. Better to place it here since it's readable. And then you download this one. Okay. Download. And then I'm going to remove this one. And then I'm going to go with my LinkedIn. Okay. Then start post here. Copy this one. Okay. Put a space in between. And then add media. Okay. Click next. Okay. Then post it. That's it. No ifs, no buts. Okay. So you have your valued post for the day. So if you're going to do this every day, at least over the weekend, plan your social media post, your valued post content, what topics to discuss, or what content to post in your Facebook, or may it be in your LinkedIn. Okay, it's very simple. For the Facebook, I use my Facebook page. So I have here my post. Whatever post I place inside LinkedIn, I also post it inside my Facebook page. Okay. So if you want another version, then you can also do that one. You can ask help ChatGPT. You copy this one. Let's say you want to create another version. Okay. Can you give me another version of this content? Okay. This is for my Facebook page. Okay. I'm going to post the content. Okay. So this will be your content for your Facebook, right? So if you want another version, so you copy this one, you go to your Google Doc, you place it here. Okay. You want another version, then you have already the image. So you upload the image and then you get the content. Okay. So can eat. That's where I come in. Forget to need it. Know my best work. Want. Let's make it happen. Okay. Then that's it. If you want another title for this, you can also ask ChatGPT. Okay. Then you are good to go to post your content. Then post it. That's it. It's easy. You do this one every day. So it's like your Facebook page or your LinkedIn page is also your website where you do your blog. Okay. And that will also serve as your portfolio. They will perceive you as an expert as you post your valuable content every day, sharing tips and helpful solutions to your target market. Okay, so that's how you create and post your content for your Facebook, for your LinkedIn. Okay, thank you.